Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. Today we are celebrating Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, and I am going to do my bloom plus lace effect, and I'm gonna have the glitter border to cover up that white. I mixed up 60 grams of Bond Craftor resin, and it got pretty warm. Oops, I forgot what I was doing over here. So it's at about 34, 35 degrees right now. And let me just see, 7. Well, that's all right. So I've got 7, I've decanted 7 grams. I'm gonna put the rest of my clear in here. So I'm using the Bond Craftor 1:1 epoxy resin, and I am going to do a bloom for the lovely Aishu, who is turning 16 tomorrow, and I am the caboose on this fantastic train. Up before me, you should have seen Janice of Just Janice, and I'm going to put the playlist in the description below, and I'll also have it in the chat. So if you happen to miss any of the 13 artists who were up today to help celebrate our Aishu, you can go back and check out their videos. So happy sweet 16, Aishu. Okay, I am putting 1 drop of Julie's bloom paste in 7 grams of resin. Give that a quick little mix. And I want to put, I'm going to use alcohol ink, Grape, and this is by Decor Raw. I'm just going to put 1, okay, 1 and a little spit there, 1 drop. And I'm using this one, the Grape, because it's got this nice purple color, which is the color that it's kind of close enough to this. So it's a pinky purpley color. I obviously added in some other glass glitter, but it's predominantly this. All right, let's do it. Aishu is a wonderful supporter of all artists of various kinds. And speaking of kind, she is one of the most kind people I know. As I said, so incredibly supportive, so encouraging. And she is going to be just a force to be reckoned with when she enters the adult world and ends up working and helping to make the world a better place for everyone. So this is all I'm going to do. I'm not going to put any more bloom material in there. I still have quite a bit left, unfortunately, but I just need a little bloom. We are back, and this layer is cured. You can see some of these pigment striations here, and it's actually from the glass beads. They're just cheap glass beads that are colored, and sometimes those colors will bleed. So I have now mixed up 60 grams of the Art Pro resin, and it is a 3:2 resin. Now I'm going to decant 10 grams, about 10 grams. I am again using the High Tide Piggy paste. I am going to get a good amount here I stuck it in the microwave to soften it up for about 15 seconds. So you can see I got a good amount on there. And this time I am also going to color my white. So what am I gonna try? I need to make this quite dark because it's white, it's gonna go pink anyway. So let's try cherry. 2 drops of cherry. Again, that is alcohol ink by Decor ROM. Ooh, this is peach color. Doesn't look peach to me, but looks like fluorescent pink. I might even put, I'm gonna put 1 drop of fuchsia into the clear. Why not? Maybe 2. Time to put this around the edges. Get that out of the way. So this bead, or the glass beads that are around the edge here, will hopefully mostly cover up this band of pigment, and then it won't be quite so obvious as a border, and the beads will become the more obvious part. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Right to the very brim again. It's time to see what we have. Got some really cool lace effects on this side. I mean, this side looks pretty darn awesome all on its own. But the main event is on the other side. So let's see. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. It's very pretty. My white was a tiny bit heavy though. Wow. But look at the little blobbies in there. Check it out. Yeah, my white was just a little too heavy and that came out further, and these got really quite blobby. Isn't that interesting? It is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Happy birthday to Aishu. Happy sweet 16. Thank you all for being here, for joining in the celebration of Aishu's birthday. If you missed any of the collaborators who were before me today, there's a playlist link in the description below. And you can click on it and catch up on any one that you might have missed. So I am the Caboose. Thank you for being here as always. I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.